Hi, this is Brian from Encaustic Art Plus. Welcome to this video. Just like to explain to you about the wax blocks that we offer. All our wax blocks are supplied by Encaustic Art International and they're offered in our own unique packaging. There is a reason for this. That is that the boxes like this one that are supplied by Encaustic Art International no longer fit through Royal Mail's postal system without costing a fortune. The new box that we've had designed is perfect and fits through the slot without a bother, so we can send this to you. On the reverse of our box you'll find a full colour chart of all 48 colours. So in essence all we've done is repackage the waxes for distribution within England. I'd just like to tell you a little bit about the sets and how it makes up the 48 colours. If you buy our starter, expanding and vivid boxes together, that will give you one of each of all 48 colours. Basic, enriching and enhancement will also give you all 48 colours. Fantasia, landscape and soft pastel will give you a mixture of varying types. Within our boxes of waxes you will also find a little colour chart to assist you in your decisions. That's what this looks like. Encaustic Art Plus also offer all our waxes in a loose range like so. The price on our website is for 2 waxes. You will receive 2 of an identical colour from our website or Amazon shop. So you would receive 2, for example number 19, you would receive 2 of that block for the current price. The reason that I sell the blocks in 2s is about fitting them neatly into packaging again and making it value for money for everyone concerned. That's just a short video about the Encaustic Art waxes sold by Encaustic Art Plus. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us through Facebook or any other of our media.